Holy crap, that was painful. $6.59 a gallon for my welder, and my truck was over 250 bucks. Holy crap.
Good. No, I don't want your nasty ball, dude.
I'll put it on pizza.
I might have to go from up top. So we're gonna stuff a rag up in there and try to catch some of this shit. Oh yeah, no, you still saw the waste up on the water. Here, it's kind of hard to see from here.
Yeah, no, I don't.
But it's at an angle.
Right.
So I might spill a little bit of oil. That's why you don't want to fill it up too much.
Where's the dipstick in this thing?
Like right.
Okay.
You know what I just noticed too, bro? What's this? You're missing a tube right here, bro.
Oh, that's what me and my dad, but watch. I also saw this. Oh, is that where you connected this little tube?
No, that one was off. This one I connected, but you're missing something. This is a vent tube also.
Yeah, but right here, there's another one here too, so I don't know what it's for. That's what me and my dad were tripping out. But there was nothing ever connected to it, so we don't know if, like, is it just made for that, or are we missing, like, a hose?
I don't know. That's a good fucking question.
Yeah,
And
so
it's belled too, so like
Yeah, like
something
exactly,
would
like
go on
there
it,
would
you know?
be.
Because that's what me and my
soft
dad
tube
been
should go
wondering,
on it.
yeah.
But so you are missing a
I think
intake
it's just
plenum right here.
Yeah, I think it's just a cover though. I don't think it's anything.
Well,
like,
but see if you can find some pictures of the IS300 engine compartment. Yeah, emergency brake off. Okay, now we're out of gear, right? You'll grab a little bit of grease.
you put the grease like on the meat, on the
Just
other side.
yeah, on the back side of it. That'll help it keep it from squeaking. Well, like when they vibrate, they'll squeak.